Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy green enchilada sauce. This delicious sauce is a staple in many Mexican dishes and surprisingly simple to prepare at home. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, focusing on ripe tomatillos and a touch of heat from peppers. You'll be amazed at how quickly these simple components transform into a vibrant, flavorful sauce that elevates any enchilada dish. Let's get cooking. The secret to a rich, deep flavor in your green enchilada sauce lies in roasting the vegetables. After husking and rinsing your tomatillos, arrange them with the onion, garlic, and peppers on a baking sheet, roasting them for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are tender and slightly charred, brings out their natural sweetness and a wonderful smoky depth. This step is crucial for developing that authentic, complex taste. Once your vegetables are perfectly roasted, it's time to blend them into a smooth, vibrant sauce. Carefully transfer all the roasted ingredients into your blender. Add about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro and 1 cup of chicken broth to help achieve the desired consistency. Blend everything until it's completely smooth, then season with about 1 teaspoon of salt. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed to ensure it's just right for your palate. The final step is to simmer your beautiful green enchilada sauce to perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a medium saucepan, then carefully pour in your blended sauce. Stir it well and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. This simmering process ensures a rich, well-developed sauce ready for your favorite enchiladas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.